Dr. Phil, I need your help. Part 2. Okay, I'm going to continue the video here and I'm going to explain. When I go to court to the Workman's Comp Appeals Board, when I walk in and I'm there, they still don't understand my disability. They think with my Intel reader and the LifeCry pen is enough. But I have a disability that's hard for me to comprehend and understand with my disability. I have a comprehension and a very slow process of understanding. Well, this Karen Kaiser is like a chihuahua barking and jumping at me and aggressively making me crazy. I feel like I'm in a circus. And I look at the judge and the judge is looking at me like some kind of, like I was in La La Land or something. Yeah, I don't know how to explain. The judge is like, they're supposed to stand up and understand a disabled person, not just look at me like I'm some kind of alien from Mars or, I still don't understand what the heck is going on here. And then my lawyer is just looks at skies and heaven and they don't know what the heck is going on. But the prime point here is that I have a major disability. These people just keep doing the same thing and they want to use a deposition, that it was fraudly made. When I told the judge many times that it's fraud, and he just keep looking at me like I was in La La Land. So, they ignored me. And the part of that is that the Department of Justice sent me a letter, and they say, and I show this to the judge, so they can prosecute the lawyers, Department of Justice, on this day, April 18, 2011, and they sent me this letter to give it to the people, to the judges, so they can prosecute the lawyers. But no, Mr. Judge here looks at me like I'm in La La Land, and I show him this letter, and he doesn't do nothing. So I do not understand what the heck is going on here in California with these judges. They're not doing their job. Doing the freaking job? Golly. But the point here is just not just that. Is that these judges are not doing their job. Karen Kaiser, like the fraudly lawyer, commit fraud. And the insurance company likes that because you know what? Like I mentioned before, medical and the food stamps, we all gonna pay for that. Everybody, even you, everybody that listens to this, they're paying for my extensive injury that I fell from the scaffold from the 15th floor, few floors down. I don't know because I didn't count the floor with the camera when I was falling. Because this lawyer keeps asking me how many floors I fell down. And I say, hey, I can videotape. Next time, I'll grab a camera, Karen. And when I'm falling, I'll videotape every floor that I'm falling from. Just for you. Because you asked me how many floors, I still don't know. I never count the floors when I'm falling. Next time when I'm falling, I count the floors, I let you know. Okay? Next time when I fall next time. Okay? The point here is that these lawyers, they're not doing their job. I mean, my lawyer, I guess, I don't know who the heck's supposed to do this job. But the point here is that I went to another judge so I can expedite my hearing. And the problem is that he says that it's going to take me a year. Well, imagine, in a year, I'm already in a year. Guess what I'm collecting here? Guess. Imagine how many thousands of people that have to wait for that. Because the insurance company, they play this game. The game about abusing the civil, just not the civil right, abusing the system. The insurance company are like Mr. Bin Laden, like Mr. Saddam Hussein, like those, people that are corrupted, like, well, they're not just corrupted. They're the terrorists of this country. And that's why the state of California is broke. I mean, how can I explain it? I mean, imagine this. Why Mr. Jerry Brown doesn't do the statistics and how many people are, injured workers? Well, the point here is this. The point here is this. I have a major disability. I have multiple injuries on my back, my neck, my shoulder, my ankles, my knees, hernias. I have multiple injuries. And I have to be in a walker. And now my doctor, I have a letter from my doctor stating that I have to be in a Vita scooter. Guess what? Guess who's going to pay for all that? The state of California. The state of California is going to pay for all. And I have the letter over here. Look. My doctor's letters. letters and letters and letters, and nothing gets done. Nothing happens here. So I am so sorry. I have to let you go. My time is up. Hey, Mr. Dr. Phil, I need your help. Please, I need your help. Please help me, like I did in my last video. Have a nice day. What else I can say?